Hey, welcome back to Abstract and Flow. So I am going to get straight to the colors. You already know what I'm doing. I'm going to do another Dutch, and I think I'm ready to incorporate some color. So, why not start with my favorite color, which is green. The base, I'm using this really pale, look at that. This is Modern Masters Cool Mint. And I bought a bunch of Modern Master paints when they had a sale sometime last year. I haven't used them yet. Well, used some of them, but haven't used this one. So we see we have a little bit of a trace, but it is considerably thin. Next, we're going to go with some Payne's Gray, just to give it a little contrast. And Liquitex Basics, Payne's Gray. Here we have a lovely mint, bright green. Actually Liquitex Basic Lime Green. And a little Mica powder. This is their pearlescent grass green. Threw in there just to give it a little oomph. We'll see how that works out. We have a little gold by DecoArt. We're going to throw in a little white, titanium white. This is Liquitex. And this green here. Now, I have no idea what's in it. Green I made up a couple of months ago. It's still good. I'm going to use it. So let's get you over to the canvas. I already did my run test. As you can see, I had to adjust some of my the water and some of my colors just so that everyone plays nicely on the canvas. So, yeah, that's it. Let's get started. Here we go. Now, this was a failed Dutch pour, and I got it on my turntable. I'm not spitting it. It's just going to make it easier for me to maneuver the blow dryer. So we're going to get this covered. So we are all covered. And I am going to start with my funky green. Yeah, funky green. So, fingers crossed. Here we go. Let's see. I'm going to keep it simple. I'm not going to try to do anything really fancy. Okay. Now I'm going to lay down our paints. The Payne's Gray, which I should probably put in a cup that I can pour out a little better. Well, let's see. Let's see how we do with this spoon. Yeah, we need a little cup. Okay, I don't have any more squirt bottles, so this is better. All right, there we go. Now I'm going to lay down some of this lime green. And the white. Let's see. Yeah. For some reason, I'm thinking I had another gold. Some gold. I knew there was a color missing. Let's do a little bit of gold. Now, I wanted to do my white last. So I think I may have to do another. I hope this is not too much paint. All right. Okay. I think it's too much paint, but we'll see. Let's give ourselves a little bit of a cushion. So that our paints don't, we don't want our paints to roll on themselves. We want them to cascade across the canvas. So let's torch that a little bit. And we got our 10-year-old hairdryer on low and cool. Okay. Not too bad. Let's torch and see. Pop some bubbles, I see. See if we get any other little cells to pop up. And there's a little line over here that I'm not really liking. So we're going to try to alleviate that. And I wish there was a little bit more color right here. I like this being solid in this area, but I definitely want a little bit more color right there. So I'm thinking if I should try. Well, let me look at it in another direction. Let's see. All right, I added color right here, and I'm going to blow it out and hope I don't mess this up. Okay, that's much better than that big blob that was there. All right, so here it is from this direction. Let's give it a little spin. This direction. I'm still getting used to cascading, but I do like it. I like the colors. All right, thank you all for tuning in today. You all stay safe out there. Be blessed. And I'll see you next pour. Bye.